Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dior. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you ready for your cookies that Jarrell baked you? Okay, let's get everyone on the floor. Dee. That's yours? That's your birthday cookie? He said, what about me? Hold on, boys. Okay, she done went off with her cookie. All right, he's trying one of the doggy biscuits, the homemade doggy biscuits. It's oats, peanut butter, and banana. Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, but it's dry.
It's dry?
Mm-hmm. Look.
It's like a dog. It's really like a doggy biscuit for real. Dry.